This is a video of Buddy walking from the church, as you can see, it's submerged, back to our car. This is me. It is so cold, I'm running back to get out of here. An hour? I'm running. Ooh. Dude, that's our dumpster. That's our dumpster. There's Buddy, part of the Coast Guard, here to help us. Just got over being sick, probably be sick again, but it was fun and most definitely worth it. What? I took a short video. Everything is flooded. I'm exhausted. I'm wet. I'm cold. I want to go home. Worst idea I have ever had. That's alright. 2 bad ideas in 12 hours isn't bad. This is Katie, our lovely youth pastor's wife. Nice and dry. That's okay. Wow.